Hello art friends, we are going to be drawing a softball in a mitt today. And so to start with, I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to start with the ball. So you can get different, like lids or circle templates. I'm thinking this one probably would be good for the size of softball. So I'm going to trace this with my pencil kind of lightly because it's geometric. And I also have these stencils too that are circles that, maybe those would look good for a size for either if you're doing a baseball or a softball, some type of circular thing. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to be drawing the laces here. So I'm going to draw a curved line and a curved line, and then I'm going to be drawing some diagonal lines. Diagonal lines. Do you think I need to put more in? I'm not a softball person. All right. Let's get these put in. And for this one, actually, I could go over my pencil line here with my marker because there's nothing else going on here. All right, there we go, there's the softball. All right, so now I'm going to draw the mitt. Okay, so for the mitt, I'm gonna have a line coming up here, and I'm gonna have a diagonal line coming up here. Then I'm gonna have a line coming back a little bit, and then it's gonna come down, and then I'm gonna have two other lines coming back like so and connect those, and then we're gonna have another line coming down. Okay, and then we're gonna have a line coming across, but it's going to be a dotted line. And then we're going to have a line coming up, across, and back down. And then we're going to have some lines coming down and some lines coming across. But I'm gonna skip every other one, so it's gonna be like a weave. And I bet you guys have all sorts of different ways that your mitts are made, but I'm gonna put that one on this one. All right, then I'm gonna have two little lines coming across here, and then I'm gonna have kind of like some little noodles coming across, just kind of following that dotted line. And this is where the the wrapping is, the cording. But I wouldn't want to draw a line there to start with, because then it wouldn't look right. And then we've got some more cording coming down here. All right, then I'm gonna draw two lines right here, and then I'm going to draw a line here and another little oval here. Then I'm gonna have a line coming around like that, going behind that oval, and then this line has another thick line behind it. And then I'm going to draw another oval here and here with another line for the next finger, like that. And then I'm going to draw another couple ovals. There we go. And then I'm going to draw another line coming up and down past the ball like that. Then I'm going to draw another line coming up. And it's going to have a little oval here. It's going to come around like that. I'm going to put like a little lace here coming off. All right. So then right here, we're going to put some more laces coming down. And then here we're going to do some more ovals. And they're just going to come down and around. Then we're going to draw a big kind of loop there. Then we're going to draw some lines behind these little laces, like this. And then we're going to draw some more lines behind the laces right here, like that. And we're going to draw another line that's going to be kind of coming down here, coming around here, with some more little bumpies there. And we'll draw some more little ovals here, and a little lace thing coming off there. A couple little detail things here and here and here. Lots of little details. And then I think, I don't know, maybe we'll put the name of a maybe you can make your name there of your softball team or baseball team. And we're going to draw some more lace lines coming up here. All right. All right. Looks good. Okay, so obviously if you were doing a baseball, you know, you would want to get a smaller ball in here, and you would, you know, make these lines come down, okay? But for a softball, they're bigger, okay? And then of course we would have the value on this where it is darker on the bottom of the ball. Okay, so this is just a little cross hatching to show that it's darker down here, and I'll do, you know, different color. I'll do it, the colors of it more when I color this. Okay, so there we go. There's your baseball glove. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.